वेलकम बैक फ्रेंड्स। आज के डिस्कशंस में हम जो करने जा रहे हैं इसमें हम देखेंगे कि एक्सट्रीमिस्ट का असेसमेंट अगर हम एज सच करें कि उन लोगों ने क्या फ़र्क इस पूरी नेशनल मूवमेंट पर डाला, हाउ दे started a new awakening in the national movement and what were their failures, what were their successes and all. So moving ahead, अगर हम यहाँ बात करते हैं असेसमेंट की पहले, so they say that advocate of extremism range from active revolutionary at one end and to secret sympathizers. तो यहाँ पर बेसिकली आप ऐसे मान के चलिए कि yes, there were people who were actively and openly, you know, indulge in extremist and revolutionary activities at those times, and there were also sort of people जो कि उनको secretly sympathize करते थे. In fact, वहाँ ऐसे भी लोग थे at that time जो all together in these they didn't believe in these violent methods altogether. So apart from this, the goal of Swaraj was also different, meaning as we have seen earlier. आप अगर स्वराज की बात करें तो किसी के लिए उसका मतलब था कि ब्रिटिश डोमिनियन के अंदर रहते हुए सेल्फ गवर्नमेंट, तो किसी दूसरे लीडर के लिए इसका मतलब हुआ करता था कि वी नीड इंडिपेंडेंट फ्रॉम ऑल द बॉन्डिंग्स, नो डोमिनियन एट ऑल. इसके अलावा अगर हम असेसमेंट एक्सट्रीमिज्म का करें, एक्सट्रीमिस्ट पीपल एंड लीडर्स, they have actually altogether transformed the meaning of patriotism. इससे पहले मॉडरेट्स के टाइम में क्या हो रहा था कि पैट्रियोटिज्म एंड दिस इट वाज मोस्ट ऑफ देम लाइक अ पास टाइम, एकेडमिक पास टाइम. ओके, सम दिस बिलोंग्स टू द इंटेलिजेंसिया, मोर ऑफ लाइक अपर मिडिल क्लास. तो उन लोगों के लिए इट वाज मोर ऑफ अ academic pastime. But extremist people, they changed its meaning that this is actually a service to the nation and in this way may have to suffer as well. तो अगर सोशल बेस की हम बात करें या सोशली उनका आउटकम या उनका आउटलुक क्या था, सो यस दे वर रिवाइवलिस्ट, वो भी रिफॉर्म करना चाहते थे. बट स्टिल लीडर्स लाइक लाला लाजपत राय एंड पाल, they most often spoke of the Hindu nation. So that, that gave them a theme, a color that these leaders basically belongs to the Hindu majority. देखिए, तिलक ने अपोज किया था द एज ऑफ कंसेंट बिल को, जो कि एक शादी के लिए जरूरी एज बढ़ाने की बात वहां पर लड़कियों के लिए की जाई थी. बट ही वॉज नॉट एज सच अपोज टू raising the age, but what he was disputing that Britishers are having no legitimacy to pass such an act for the Indian people. And in fact, Tilak's cow protection policy and उनका जो गणेश festivals उन्होंने 1893 में organize करना शुरू किया था, that they projected him as a leader of Hindu orthodoxy. So these factors, they also divided Hindu and Muslim. Though they got some success, and the partition of Bengal was annulled in 1911, and aim of Swaraj, though it was denied by Lord Morley, and Morley ने कह दिया कि okay, there won't be any Swaraj for you, but it wasn't no longer be looked upon as a revolutionary demand or a seditious demand. So the mode and the activities of these extremist leaders, they bore really some fruit for the Indian national movement. But if we talk about the differences between moderate and the extremist in the Indian politics, so let's first talk about the moderates. Moderates का social base mostly जमींदार था और upper middle classes था. ये इतनी देर के डिस्कशन में we are learned that. And ideological inspirations की अगर हम बात करें तो उनका ideological inspiration western liberal thought से आता था, European history से आता था, rather than the Indian history, and rather than feeling proud and rather than feeling that Indian masses are as such ready for this cultural, this mental, this political awakening. So they also believed in England's providential mission in India, that Britishers were basically doing a provident job to uplift the downtrodden Indians from their misery, and they will be, once again will be a leading civilization in the world altogether. मॉडरेट्स का एक मानना ये था कि अगर हम इंग्लैंड के साथ अपने कनेक्शंस रखते हैं, हम ब्रिटेन के साथ अपने कनेक्शंस रखते हैं, सो दैट इज गुड फॉर इंडिया सोशल, पॉलिटिकल एंड कल्चरल इंटरेस्ट. why they thought so, reason being जो ब्रिटिश सुप्रीमेसी थी, जो ब्रिटिश एडवांस नेचर था, उनके हिसाब से उन्हें लगता था that we can learn a lot from them and we are not yet ready to have these thread of the political organizations in our own hand. So yes, they were like believing more into some. So उन लोगों ने अपनी लॉयल्टी भी अपने ब्रिटिश क्राउन को प्रोफेस किया था ओपनली, and they believed that the movement should be limited to the middle class intelligence, as I told you earlier, and masses. भारत का जनमानस इस समय it is not yet ready for the participation in political work of such a great extent. तो उन्होंने क्या किया, they demanded the constitutional reforms and share of Indians in services. तो उनकी डिमांड्स भी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल रिफॉर्म तक सीमित रहीं, उनकी डिमांड्स पेटिशंस प्रेयर्स तक सीमित रहीं, उनकी डिमांड्स विद इन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल मेजर्स जो एगिटेशन वो कर सकते थे वो बाई बुक चलते रहे. So they insisted on the use of constitutional methods only. So अब अगर हम बात करें एक्सट्रीमिस्ट की as opposed to the moderate leaders, उनका सोशल बेस that was educated but lower middle class in towns. Okay, and ideologically जहाँ उन अपनी moderates की जो inspiration थी वो यूरोपियन you can say modern और liberal thoughts थे. हमारे extremist leader की जो ideology थी that was more of a like Indian history and Indian cultural in the taste, the national education and Hindu traditional symbols were like the symbols of new political awakening for these people. इसके अलावा द मॉडरेट्स ने क्या किया था, बहुत ज़्यादा अपना एम्फेसिस डाला था कि ब्रिटिशर्स आर हियर फॉर अ प्रोविडेंशियल रीजन, बट दे रिजेक्टेड ऑल टुगेदर दिस theory that providential mission was as such a total illusion and it is having no reality as such, for Indians at least. They believed that the political connections with Britain would only perpetuate the British exploitation in India. So they believed in confrontation. They believed in head-to-head confrontation to save the Indian interest and away from the British interest as such. Because British interest and Indian interest were not the same thing for these extremist leaders. इसके अलावा ब्रिटिश क्राउन को वो सोचते थे कि ब्रिटिश क्राउन इज ऑल टुगेदर अनवर्दी ऑफ क्लेमिंग आवर लॉयल्टी, दे आर अनवर्दी ऑफ क्लेमिंग Indian loyalty in all the political and all the ruling matters. So they want that the Indians should rule themselves rather than some alien race, rather than some European country. So they had immense faith in the capacity of masses and they wanted them to participate and to make sacrifices for attaining this political goal. They demanded the demand they made that Swaraj should be for all Indians. They saw that Swaraj will be a Ramban Ilaj for all the Indian ills. So also they did not hesitate to use extra constitutional methods like they use violence, they use boycott, they use passive resistance to achieve their objective, and they were patriots who made sacrifices for the sake of country. तो इसमें अगर हम दोनों को कंपेयर करके देखें, सो more of young bloods were recruited in the ranks of extremists, and yes, they also did prevail, and they also achieved some of their goals as well. So we would like to conclude this chapter here only, and we'll be coming up more with more chapters and with more history lectures. Till then, thank you for watching and do visit our website www.decipherijs.com for more videos and more current affair related analysis. Till then, take care. Thank you.